It is Thursday, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka. This is English 7D, class number 12. Not many classes left to go, but let's move over to my iPad. We can take a closer look at what we're doing this week. I have a few things that we have to do. Let's take a look at the whole list for July 3rd. Not too much that's difficult. There's the vocabulary quiz number 5. Make sure that you take that. You have 3 chances to as well. And your deadline is going to be July 13th. That's a Sunday. So make sure that you do your 3 chances before July 13th, or at least one. You also have a reflection that I want you to do. That's always due on the Friday. Write that down. Send that up, a picture of it, okay? You also have your walking video number 2. So this is the second walking video. Try to do one that's a little bit better than your last one. And the topic is this one. Do you think AI, like ChatGPT, should be banned from universities? As I know this university doesn't like you to use ChatGPT. I think that's a bad idea. But what do you think? Do you think that's a good idea or a bad idea? And let's see. Today's warming up will be shadowing. The article itself looks like, okay, I should have prepped this before. Looks like, oh, that's right. I have a problem with that. Okay, we'll just take a look at it here. Okay, the article itself looks like this. Okay, we're going to do that after we do one thing that's special this week, which is to choose your partner names and student numbers for your final test. You have 2 tests that you will have at the end of this month. The first test will be on July 17th, and that will be like the midterm test. That'll all be done on Moodle. After July 17th, we come back on July 31st, and on July 31st will be your conversation test. So for that conversation test, you need to choose a new partner like you did for the midterm test, and this partner should be a different person than the person you chose for the midterm test. So I want you to choose different partners. Make sure that you write your partner's name in Roman letters with their student number, and we're going to get that done today. Choose a different partner this time than you did for the midterm test. Otherwise, yeah, let's see here. Yeah, oh, sorry, we're over here, 10. Okay, so you have your reflection for attraction and your walking video and your vocabulary quiz. And right now, we're going to do your partner name and student submission. After we're done that, then we're going to do some shadow talking here, okay? If you ever have any questions about any of this, please feel free to contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, have a good class, everyone.